Hello everybody, here's my mama, and this is her new FEPPO vacuum sealer kit, and we're going to be doing an advertisement on this today and a promotion on it. There's a discounts, we'll share the codes, the discount codes and all that with you here in a minute, but we're going to do a full review on this vacuum sealer kit. So first she's going to open it and tell you all about it.
Yep. I've looked at sealers for years, wanting some, to put my meat and stuff in. They was just always too high and everything. So, and they sent us this to promote me. So, I've been wanting one.
And this one is actually not that expensive, and there's a discount code. There's a 10% off discount code. And if y'all was looking for the links to this, we'll be sharing the links in the description of this video. Just click on the video and it'll say description. And you click the description and it'll explain to you how to find, it'll take you straight to this product. Here they are. Here's their YouTube channel, their Facebook, and here's their email. It's support@feppo.com. This is all their information here on this card. You could scan this to learn more.
I think this is just a box that was in there.
This might be the bags in there.
Well, here's the bags.
Oh.
So you get the silver bags with it. You get the lids for the containers, because it seals not only bags, but it seals the containers too.
Yeah, so it's a multiple use thing. Here's the instruction user manual. It's super easy to use, pretty much self-explanatory. Most things got a big, long instruction manual. This is like a really easy, simple instructions.
These are really nice. They're
Yeah, very hard, very durable. It says it keeps food fresher for 5 times longer. So if it was just setting out, then this would stay fresh for 5 times longer if it's sealed.
Let me put these back in there. And here's the vacuum bags. Let me show you those.
So it's great for food freshness and super good for easy storage too. Once you put these in the sealed, it makes it a lot smaller, so you could store it a lot easier.
Yeah.
Like if it was going to fill your fridge all the way up, then you put it in these bags, and then it would only take it about half the space.
And you get two bags with it. Well, it's more than 2 bags, but
Yeah,
2
2
packages.
packs.
And look how big they are.
And these are different sizes, I think. This one is 8 inches, 8.5 inches.
This is 24, I think, size 10 to 24.
Yeah, that one's 2 inches bigger.
And I'll show you what this one is. Yeah.
But these are really cool. I've actually always wanted one of these too. It's so convenient and nice to have. And in the long run, if you did purchase one, then it's going to save you money in the long run. With food going bad all the time and stuff, this would save you money because all your food is not going to be going bad. It'll stay fresh for longer.
Yeah. Here's the big one, and here's the other size one.
Now I'm going to show you all the code now. And y'all, if y'all have a piece of paper, you could write it down, or you could take a picture of it, or you can just pause the video here. But it's a vacuum sealer kit, 10% off code, and here's the code. It's all capitals, so make sure if you're writing it down, make sure to write all capitals. It's SABDG6XN, and the code is valid until the 8th month of this year and the end of the 8th month, so basically the 9th month, 31st. And the brand is a FEPPO. And all you gotta do is click the link that's in the description of this video. You click that link, it'll take you straight to their website, or take you straight to where you can purchase it. And then you type in this code for the discount.
And look how handy it is.
And I will be putting the discount code in the description also. It's so small.
Look at that. And you can rechargeable.
Yeah, we probably have to charge it. We was going to seal something on video for you guys real quick, but it's probably gonna have to be charged.
I don't think it is it? I don't think it is.
Oh, it came on.
Did it come on? Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's at 77% battery right now. So you gotta press manual. You've gotta put it on there. I think this comes off, and that's how.
Here's instructions.
Oh yeah,
in here.
there it is.
And here's the cord, the charging cord with it.
Y'all seen us open it and unbox it on video, so we actually didn't look at the instructions. We thought it would be really super easy, and it does seem really simple, but we'll probably still have to look at this anyways. So you take the cap off. The plastic cap screws off. I thought it just pops off, but it just screws off, and then that rubber seal, you put it over top of the bag or the Tupperware or whatever you're going to use. And she's going to be using the Tupperware right now. So you take this, and this screws off this plastic thing.
And you know how fast these go bad. Even in the refrigerator.
See, that just pops right off. Oh, I think it's two separate. If you're going to use the bags, then you pop this plastic thing off. And if you're going to use the Tupperware, you pop the whole thing off like this. Because the Tupperware is a little bit bigger, I think.
So how do you start it now? Oh, you push this little button here.
Right, does this have to come off? Let me see this.
I thought
See,
it
there's
did.
some type of sealer there too. Yeah, and here's a rubber thing. See, that's what really seals it, that rubber seal
Yeah,
there.
right there.
Do you want to try to put these in there to...
I did.
Oh, you already got some in there?
Yeah.
Now you just hold that on there, I guess, and press the manual is you do it yourself. Auto is the machine doing it.
Shall I let the machine do it? Oh, it's going down.
Wow, it's suctioning it already, ain't it?
Yep.
And there it is. It suctioned it down.
Yeah, tight.
And to unseal it, I think you got to pop this, or you got to pop this to unseal it, which it'll show here also on the thing.
Yeah, you got your instructions.
See, this shows how to seal it, and then this side probably shows how to unseal it. It shows how to charge it. There's an interaction port, which is this little rubber thing. And the bag, it's got a zipper on it. Where's the bags?
Right here.
Yeah, the bag has got a zipper on it, so whenever you want to unseal the bag, you just unzip it with the zipper. It's supposed to have a plastic thing that comes in it, and you pinch it here. The plastic thing is probably in the bag. Here it is. Hey, this thing is how you unseal the bag and how you seal the bag. So you put this on there like that, and you slide it across it, and that's what seals the bag up to make sure it's clipped good, and then that's whenever you use the sealer part.
Well.
So you'll
Neat,
make sure to
neat.
get this out of there if you get one, and so you don't lose this little piece.
Yeah, don't throw it away.
Yeah.
So I guess that's it. Just put it on there like that.
Yeah, and you might have to hold a little bit of pressure on it to get this. This is a rubber seal, so you use that rubber seal like that, and then you could hold it. You could do it manual, and you could feel it suctions it on there good. It felt like it was like almost holding it on there, and it seals it on there real good.
That's neat, ain't it? Look at it.
Well, let me see if it holds it. You could see you could pry up on it, and it's not coming off. And that's with me prying on it. It sealed it really good. This has got like numbers and dates on it. I think this tells like how long it's been in there for. See, this is the day, and then this is, it says an M. I think that's for like a month.
Yeah.
And it goes all the way to 12, so that's got 12 months. See, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, and then here's the day. It's got all the way to 31 days. So you'll know if you put it on one day and then you put the month on one, and then the next day when you come through, you turn this dial to 2. Every day you'll turn the dial down 1, and you'll then eventually, once it gets through, you'll know exactly how long it's been in there sealed. So we'll keep this one on 1 because it's only been in there for 1 day. This is the first day it's been in there. This would be good for your bread, the what is it called?
Zucchini bread?
No, the yeast bread. And you gotta let it breathe.
Flows.
And this would help you to keep track of your yeast. The days on it, so you won't have to write it on the paper and stuff.
Yeah.
And then every day when you gotta let it breathe, you could just pop the seal and let it breathe.
Yeah.
And here's the seal. I think you just pull this, see?
Yeah, there it comes.
You just pull that and it broke the seal. And then it should be able to open. And then it just comes right open.
There it is. Yeah. Wow.
You could hear it pop the seal whenever you pull that little rubber thing.
That's what it does.
But y'all
That
definitely
is neat. That
should
is
go.
really neat. I think, let me see how many you got. 1. Well, here's your charger, like we said, for it. I think it's about 4 or 5 of them in here.
Yeah, there's bigger ones and smaller ones.
Yeah.
I think it's just 3. There's
3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. And then this is little. This is a little one. Yeah.
But there's so many
And they're
things that you could do with
stackable.
this.
And so easy to put away, so easy to storage, you know. See there?
But y'all should go check them out and make sure to show them some support. Let them know that y'all's coming. You could leave them a nice review. Let them know that y'all's coming from this channel and that y'all seen their product here on this channel.
I think it was nice of them to send it to us. You know, and all we have to do is just show it for them.
So y'all make sure to show them some support for sending us their products. And make sure to use, if you're going to purchase one of their products, which they have a bunch of other products too. They got vacuums and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And steam mops. But if y'all are going to purchase anything from them, make sure to use this code. Well, this code is actually only for the vacuum sealer, but we have another code for a vacuum that we're going to show in a later video.
Yeah.
So make sure to use this code if y'all's going to purchase this vacuum sealer.
Yeah. Here's the bags. Yeah, it's something to have, you know. I've always wondered about these and wanted them because, and it don't take up so much room in your freezer. You just lay them on top of each other. You know, don't take up that much room. This would be good for my zucchini cakes too that I make.
Yeah. They'd probably fit in there perfectly, those
Yeah,
bigger bags.
they would. This one, yeah. And the muffins we make.
She's always been putting them in gallon Ziploc bags, and they still don't keep them as fresh as this would. This will keep them a lot fresher for longer.
Yeah. So it's what I always wondered about. If I could get one of these. I've never seen a Miss Little. I like it because it's so little, and you can just store it away.
You can put it anywhere. You can put it in a drawer or anything.
Yeah, a spoon drawer. It fit right in there. You know, easy to storage.
I guess that's all for this one. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all make sure to go show them some support and at least check out their website. Even if you don't plan to purchase anything, at least check them out.
And I believe you'll love it. So you need to check it out and try it.
We love y'all. God bless y'all. We'll see y'all on the next one.
Amen.